Our topic for today is cupping etiquette. Why we need to cover our mouth when we do cupping? Like that, especially in the public place. If you are alone in the area, no problem, you can cup everywhere. But if you are with other people, you have to cover your mouth. Like that. Loving is sharing, but sharing the virus to your seatmates, to your colleague, to your friends is no longer loving. So don't wait that a nurse or anybody who has education on health will pull your attention. Not good, right? Especially when you are in the bus. Problem. So we need to cover our mouth. As a nurse, it's one of my responsibility to share knowledge, to teach. So guys, don't forget to cover your mouth when you coughing, sneezing. Always do like that. If you saw other people coughing in front of you without covering their mouth,
oh hell no!
Are you happy? Of course not. They are sharing the virus. Even if we are not sure if they have any disease or illness, sharing is loving, but sharing your virus or sharing your saliva as a rain shower is no longer loving. No offense, guys. No. So wherever we are, especially in the public place, every time we cough, because sometimes we cannot avoid, no, very itchy inside, we have to cover our mouth. Don't forget to bring your handkerchief or anything. If you don't have handkerchief, just use your hand. Just do like this. Kida. Like that. Right? After Bob, put in your pocket the virus. Right? So don't be offended, guys. I'm just telling you what we have to do. It's our obligation to cut the spread of any infection. Okay? Do cover your mouth when you cough.